Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live chat on YouTube Livestream. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now YouTube live chat's really useful. Let's just say you're live streaming an old video and you had a few people watching. If you enabled live chat, it basically allows them to interact with each other. So there's a funny moment in the video, they might all comment at the same time about that funny moment, and it can really boost your engagement and help keep people watching for much longer. So I do recommend everyone does this. If you're streaming, you might as well have active. It makes for a better experience all around pretty much. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, so to start with, you first want to be in your YouTube studio and just head over to the live streams tab like I'm on here. So once you're on here, you just want to look for your title and go to the right of it, and you can find this edit button. So go ahead and click on that, and here you can see all the settings where you can change stuff to make your live stream exactly how you want it. But since we're looking to enable live chat, what we want to do is head over to the customization tab on the left. So this brings us to this page here, and as we can see in the first section, live chat. So if you just want to enable live chat, what we're going to do is tick this one. However, what we can also do is enable live chat replays, and it says here basically what it does. Live chat replay shows the original messages sent in the time someone watches the video recording of your live stream. So if you also want that enabled, you can go ahead and tick the 2, and you can just change any of these settings. You can make it so just subscribers can comment if you want, or if you don't want that, you can just have anyone. And then once you've done that and you've chose the options that you want to choose, go ahead and click save in the bottom right corner, and as you can see, our chat pops up now. Live chat has now successfully been added to my live stream. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.